Good afternoon, meteorologist Caleb Seaver here in the University of South Alabama Atmos Center with a look at your afternoon forecast. As you can see right now at 11:45 a.m., we see a large mass of rain and thunderstorms off to our west. So those storms and rain we saw this morning has faded away and moved off to our east, but our second round of rain and storms is about to move in. You can see the storms are going to move to the east as we progress through the morning. So as we look at when these storms might start impacting the area, the storms are going to move off to our east and may impact areas around Mobile within the next hour or 2 hours, somewhere in that time frame. So be ready for another round of rain and storms throughout much of your afternoon. So as we look across the area, the good news is temperatures feeling pretty warm still. 75 in Mobile, 73 in Gulf Shore, 76 in Pensacola. So at least it's not a cold rain. We are pretty warm and muggy out there ahead of these rain and storms. As we head throughout the rest of your afternoon, those rain chances, as we talked about, stay elevated. Temperature is going to stay steady in the upper 70s. So it's going to be a warm, muggy afternoon with rain and storms around. Make sure to use caution on the roads as those rain and storm chances stay with us through the evening commute. If you're, so now that we've looked at our rain chances, let's go ahead and look onto our future cast and talk about tonight into tomorrow. As we look into Wednesday night, we see those rain and storms we see this afternoon are going to move off the coast and off to our east. And as we go throughout your Wednesday night, we finally begin to clear out a little bit. So as you wake up Thursday morning, skies clear for parts of our inland communities with clouds still around over Mobile, Baldwin, and into the Florida Panhandle. But as you can see, another round of rain and storms moving in early Thursday morning, sliding through in the early afternoon, and more scattered rain and thunderstorms associated with the sea breeze going to be moving through Thursday afternoon. And we see more rain and storms through the evening on Thursday, but as we head overnight, we do begin to clear out again, especially areas along the Florida Panhandle and some of our inland communities may even see the moon and some stars, clear skies. However, the bad news is those rain chances are going to stay elevated. So even though it's going to be more scattered and more widespread, and it's not going to rain all day, those rain chances stay very high. 80% today, 90% tomorrow, 80% Friday, and as we head throughout your weekend, rain chances stay elevated at 60%. With those elevated rain chances comes a lot of rain. We have an aerial flood watch in effect for parts of our southwest Alabama and all of our Mississippi counties. Now, this does not include areas of northwest Florida. And it's not to say you're not going to see rain, but the threat of flooding is higher in areas of our western half of our viewing area. So areas like Mobile County, Baldwin County, Washington County, Greene County, and George County, areas of the west, you're going to be seeing the higher threat for flash flooding. So how much rain are we talking about? Quite a bit. As you can see, the latest rainfall forecast map, areas along I-10 and further south could see 4 to 5 inches of rain. So areas like Mobile, Pensacola, Foley, you could be seeing 4 to 5 inches of rain. While areas along the immediate Gulf Coast, Gulf Shores and Dauphin Island, you may be seeing 5 to 7 inches in spots. While our inland communities stay a little bit drier with 2 to 3 inches in areas like Monroeville and Jackson, 2 to 3 inches in areas like Atmore and Andalusia. So as we look into your weekend, those rain chances stay with us. Temperatures holding steady in the upper 70s with showers and thunderstorms on both days. So not a great weekend to be spending much time outside. So now as we look at the beach forecast, if you are trying to head to the beach over the next few days, again, weather not looking great. Temperatures in the upper 70s with those rain and thunderstorm chances every day. The good news is if we do get a break in those storms, Thursday or Friday especially, rip current risk stays moderate, not too high like we often see with rain and thunderstorms, but rip current risk staying safe, so you would be good to get in the water should we get a clearing on those days. Water temperature feeling good in the upper 70s, UV index not going to be an issue with all the rain and storms around. So as we look at your 7-day forecast, those rain and storm chances stay with us as we head throughout your weekend and into your Monday with 60% chance of rain even into Monday. As we head into the early half of next week though, things begin to dry out. Only a 20% chance of rain Tuesday, clearing out by Wednesday with temperatures going up as well.